Well, my name is Dennis Breg. I'm with HP Wellstream. We're a family-owned company located in Europe. And we build sand screens and downhole completion tools for the geothermal and hydrocarbon industry.
Can you tell us a little bit about this range of products?
Yeah, the products we have in front of us are wire wrap screens, perforated liners, slotted liners. We do premium screens for downhole completions in, like I earlier mentioned, water wells, geothermal wells, and hydrocarbon wells. And we built all the assemblies in our facility in the Netherlands.
What is like unique? You can do?
Well, the unique offering we try to give to our clients is that we go to the client, discuss the project needs they have, and then based on the project needs, we try and build a product fitting the well, so that it's actually a customized product. That's what we like best. Of course, we can also have an inquiry from a client where they come up with their own design, and we build the design accordingly. But we try to get as close to the client and find the best for the well to be completed.
How important is having a good or customized design to the effectivity of the sand filters and also their longevity?
Sometimes you have cases where a well design has been made, and within the well design, you will not be able to fit standard sizes or standard designs, or you have different downhole conditions. So you need to tweak a bit on the product and make sure that we will make it fit to the final use, and then try and make the best product to give the long longevity, because you want to have a well which is producing for a long time and make the best out of it. So making shortcuts on materials or what's available on the market is not the best way in. And that's why we try to help and see if we can get together with the engineers and make the best product to make a very good well.
Relating to being able to offer tailor-made screens, how big of an advantage is it to have it?
Well, but to give an example, we have run screens to various products, and then during build-in, it can go wrong. Of course, you can damage a screen, and if you have damaged a screen, you need to pull it out, and you need to have it repaired. If you go abroad Europe, in this case, talking about the geothermal market in Europe, you have less capabilities of making an alternative. Being local in Europe, you can send it up to our shop. We can remanufacture, or we can rebuild, or we can do some modifications to make it fit again. Go straight back to the project, and then run. So it's the lead time between failure and replacement, which gives the best support from a local company.
Can you tell us a little about some of the interesting projects you've worked on or you're working on right now?
The nice thing is being local, that you get in contact with a lot of different projects. On geothermal, it can be an existing well needing a retrofit. We are highly involved in the lithium extraction products, which is not like a screen, but it's like a perforated liner for borehole stabilization. We do geothermal projects in shallow wells. We have geothermal projects where in Germany, for instance, we have high porosity. So we build duplex or super duplex completions. And that's all in our portfolio. So we are very flexible in finding a way to meet the well's needs.
Which countries or regions or markets are you involved in right now? Are there any new markets that you're targeting?
For geothermal at the moment, we are still focusing on the European market. The European market has a large potential, and our services range from supplies to Denmark, the Netherlands, where we are located, of course, Germany, Austria, France, Spain, but we also to Poland and other regions. So for us, it's to spread within Europe, where we would like to focus now. We are the closest to these, and projects abroad. That's not our main focus for now, because it's actually because of the supplies from Europe, not like an economical and about the footprint as well. The CO2 footprint by spending all your building products here and then go overseas is not the best thing. You need to find a local place.